Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to fix Spotify APK mode not working. If you're having issues with your APK mode, you can make use of the features that APK has. It's not working on your Spotify. In today's video, I'm going to be on how to fix that problem. If you download the Spotify illegal source, like from your Chrome and others, you will have the app once you update it from your official Play Store. So your APK mode is no longer going to be working in the app. So you have to download the app from Play Store. Go to Play Store, search for Spotify, and download the app. You can go ahead and join Premium if you want to. Once you are go Premium, once you want the app to be working very well. Now for you to play music, don't stop, no receiving ads and all that. So you have to download this from your official Play Store. So if I'm just helpful, please just subscribe to the channel. Tell me in this comment section you have to find anything difficult on the channel. I won't hesitate to give you guys feedback. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.